Hi friends, so I'm very happy to say Durga Soft providing Python books and videos. If you want to settle your life in Python side, okay, sir, with 2+ experience, 3+ experience, 4+ experience, like whatever you require, Durga Soft providing, sir, in the form of videos, in the form of material, in the form of classroom training, in the form of online training. Sir, follow Durga Soft, settle your life in Python domain. Okay, sir, related to the books, if you consider, so only Python domain, if any student is going to join in Durga Soft either online or offline, he is going to get 5 books as of now. Okay, the first books are core Python. Each and every point related to core Python I discussed very clearly, sir. Almost around 200+ pages material it is. Do you know we have for loop, while loop, like for loop, while loop, like these kind of things. 100 pattern applications, source code also we provided. Almost around 200 plus pages material it is related to core Python, sir. Okay, next if you consider advanced Python, sir, this is the material related to advanced Python, sir. Okay, so in this almost around 200+ pages, each and every point, each and every subject we discussed, each and every topic we covered very clearly, sir. Best example, oops concept. Very unfortunate Python student not having that much clarity on the oops concept, right? In our regular days, almost 30 days we require to spend only on the oops. Do you know oops only object oriented programming divided into 4 topics, 4 subtopics, part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, almost around 70 pages material, 100 pages around material only related to oops concept, right? And then exception handling, file handling, multi-threading, Python database programming, regular expressions, decorators, generators, assertions, Python logging, like almost around 200+ pages material. So beautiful concept related to your advanced Python. Okay, like sir, next after completing core Python and advanced Python, sir, do you know for this even videos also available with us? Almost around 100+ videos, around 100 videos are available. So listen video, refer this book. I'm sure you people will become perfection in Python, sir. Next, after completing this Python, sir, if you are going to do certification, then there is a value, there is a worthy for your resume, for your profile. Sir, what that is the next level. So different vendors providing certification related to Python, sir. Microsoft Python certification material. Even, sir, I took online batches, I took offline batches. Next, almost around 30+ videos I prepared, 30 hours of videos are there. Next, this is the beautiful material, sir. Almost around 100 pages around material, 117 pages material. Each and every topic as per Microsoft syllabus I covered, sir. In this every bit, sir, bit possible answers. Next, a clear explanation. By default you can able to see this one, sir. So core Python, advanced Python, and then if you clear Microsoft certification exam, then obviously, do you know, you will have complete picture related to Python. Okay, well, sir, once these things completed, then you can go either for data science, you can go either for Python with Selenium testing side, or you can go for web development. If you want to go for web development, these days it's a very hot cake, sir. Full stack web development with Python and Django. If you want to do the next thing what you people required, UI technologies. Are you getting? Almost UI technologies, yes, beautiful material I prepared. Videos also available, sir. So HTML, JavaScript, CSS, Bootstrap, jQuery, DOM, like 6 modules we covered. This is the Microsoft Python this is the UI technologies book. Almost around these are the 6 topics we covered, sir. Are you getting? HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, DOM, and then jQuery. All the things clear, real-time applications wide. Yes, everything is discussed, right? Next, even for this, if you want, video support is also available. Okay, well, sir, next after completing UI technologies, if you want compulsory you should learn Django, Python based web framework to develop web applications, right? Yes, this is the book what we have. Okay, Django with real time applications regarding real time projects, sir. Sir, do you know one blog project I explained? Just based on that blog project, yes, every online student, offline student in a position to do their own websites. Okay, I saw almost around 6 or 7 websites which are developed by our students, right? One is what we call e-commerce application, second one is a blog application, third one somewhere fitness, gym healthy related one application developed, like. So if you are going to complete UI technologies, next Django, then you should be in a position to develop, okay, any web application by using, sir, Django, right? Sir, in front of your house you can keep name board, here web applications can be developed like that. So you should be in a position to develop web applications, right? Okay, that's all. These are the 5 books and the corresponding videos are available, sir. If you are going to learn up to this, happily you can climb 3 years of experience, 4 years of experience, confidently you can start your corporate career. Clear for all of you, right? So these materials by default will be available for every student who is going to join in Durga Soft offline. Yeah, the part of course only we are offering. So if any person from rural area, from remote areas, or we require these books, contact our admin people. They will courier these books, they will courier the videos, they will provide access to the videos. Okay, so sir, be perfect related to this subject Python, whatever you require. Yes, we are in a position to provide material wise, applications wise, videos wise. Okay, so follow us, sir. Just believe Durga Soft, and definitely your corporate career in Python domain is going to be filled, sir, I'm sure. Next, after completing these 5 books, Core Python, Advanced Python, Microsoft Python certification, UI technologies, Django with real time project, the next 2 books very soon you can expect. One is DRF. What the next one? DRF. Of course, what is the DRF, sir? Don't tell MRF. What is the DRF? Django REST framework. How you can develop RESTful web services by using Django. Even I covered this. Almost videos are available. Even soft copy material is also available, sir. Okay. Next, and after that, almost around 200 plus Python interview questions book also very soon you can expect. Interview questions book also you can expect very soon. That's all. So these are the 7 books you can expect. As of now, 5 books are ready. Just within few days you can see these books also, right? So the people who are coming from non-technical background, the people who are coming from testing area, networking area, the people who want to move to the development side, Python is the best programming language. Next, to learn everything in Python, to do the job very easily, the required support is available in the form of videos, in the form of material, man. Better to utilize this, okay? Utilize this and happily settle your life, okay? That's all, friends. All the best, okay? Thank you.